Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a cash management safe works step by step. First, an authorized user logs into the cash management safe by using a PIN, code, card, or fingerprint. This access step makes sure that only approved staff can start the deposit process and use the machine securely. Next, the user inserts the cash into the deposit slot or feeder. The machine then pulls the banknotes inside, so they can be processed automatically, without manual counting. After that, the note scanning process begins. At this stage, optical, ultraviolet, magnetic, and infrared sensors examine each banknote carefully to check its authenticity, condition, and important security features. Then, the machine starts counting and validation. It counts the total number of notes, checks the denomination, measures the size, and also detects if there are double notes or any irregular items inside the bundle. Meanwhile, the machine decides whether each note should be accepted or rejected. Genuine and readable notes are accepted, whereas damaged, suspicious, or invalid notes are ejected and separated from the valid cash. Once the accepted notes pass all checks, they are moved into secure storage. In other words, the money is deposited into a locked compartment or cassette inside the safe, where it stays protected from theft or unauthorized access. After the cash is secured, the safe records the transaction details. It stores important information such as the deposit amount, number of notes, time of deposit, and user information, and it may also send this data to the store system or bank network for monitoring and reconciliation. Finally, the machine generates a receipt or confirmation of the deposit. Later, the secured cash can be collected, balanced, or prepared for banking, making the whole process faster and more accurate for businesses. So, in simple words, a cash management safe works by allowing secure user access, accepting cash, scanning and validating notes, storing approved money safely, recording the deposit digitally, and creating a receipt for better control and accountability. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.